The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is entering a fascinating new stage. What was once a vast construction site is now beginning to reveal the shape of the future home of FC Barcelona, with major progress visible across multiple areas of the stadium. Today, we'll take a closer look at the latest compression ring developments, accelerating facade installation, newly arrived escalators, and the rapid growth of the mobility diamonds. With summer construction now fully underway, some of the most important milestones of the year are starting to come into view. So, let's get started and take a closer look at all the latest progress around the stadium. One of the biggest visual changes can be seen in Gol Norte, where numerous new facade llamas have been installed. The lower sections are now largely covered, while installation has also extended higher toward the upper levels. Elevated platforms remain in position as crews continue preparing adjacent sections for future installations. At the same time, alignment systems are being installed between facade supports, helping ensure that all future llamas will be positioned accurately. Once the stage is completed, facade installation can continue across the next sections of the stadium. We now move to the Gol Norte sector, where construction activity remains intense across multiple areas of the stadium. The main highlight is the compression ring, which continues advancing toward the Tribuna side. A new radial beam is currently being installed on a recently completed pillar, marking another important step in the roof structure's assembly. As we've seen before, the compression ring does not follow the exact shape of the stadium, which explains the different positioning of some sections. Meanwhile, work continues around the nearby mobility diamonds and mobility cores, while the VIP ring remains largely unchanged with glazing and enclosure works already completed. With another pillar and radial beam now in place, the compression ring has moved beyond the halfway point and continues making steady progress toward its next major milestone. Attention now turns to the third tier, where construction activity remains visible across the Gol Norte sector. Most of the stair installation appears to be completed, while crews continue carrying out finishing works in several areas. Nearby, work also continues on the bracing structures installed last week, with crews focusing on connections and structural adjustments. An interesting detail can be seen in the Tribuna area, where sections of scaffolding have been extended higher than before. This suggests preparations for the next stage of work as progress continues across the upper levels of the stadium. One of the first visible changes can be seen outside the Gol Sud area, where excavation work continues to expand. Construction crews have progressively removed soil along the access road, extending the excavation zone further than in previous updates. This work originally began further down the road, but the excavation area has gradually expanded over recent weeks. Progress on the facade continues at a steady pace. Nearly all facade llamas are now installed across this section, while work remains focused on final inspections and adjustments to ensure proper alignment. Only a few months ago, much of this area was still dominated by exposed support structures. Today, the facade is beginning to create a much clearer image of the stadium's future appearance. While some vertical connection areas still await support elements, this sector is now looking increasingly complete. The most important development remains the compression ring, which continues to grow segment by segment above the stadium. A newly installed radial beam has now been lifted into position, extending the structure further toward the Tribuna side. Only one additional box segment is required to connect the latest section of the ring, while another segment is already prepared on the ground awaiting installation. With recent additions, the project has clearly moved beyond the halfway point around the Gol Sud area. An interesting change can be seen in the installation process for sandwich panels. Instead of relying on several workers to manually position each panel, crews are now using a vacuum lifting system that allows panels to be handled much more efficiently. At the same time, sandwich panel installation has expanded to the second level in this sector. The introduction of new equipment should help accelerate progress as crews continue closing more sections of the stadium envelope. Several elevated platforms remain active around the facade support structure, where workers are adjusting and securing mounting points. Alignment work is also ongoing across multiple support brackets. These preparations may seem minor on their own, but they are essential before additional facade llamas can be installed. Once these adjustments are completed, installation work can move forward much more rapidly. A major delivery has arrived at the lateral side of the stadium, where 2 new escalators have been transported to the site. Following the arrival of the first escalators in recent weeks, these new units represent another important step toward the installation of the stadium's future mobility system. As more internal infrastructure begins arriving on site, the project continues its gradual transition from pure structural construction toward operational and visitor-focused areas. Attention also remains focused on one of the mobility core diamonds, where concrete pumps have been positioned in preparation for another round of structural pours. Formwork is already installed across several walls, while reinforcement cages for future columns are visible throughout the structure. Compared with the other mobility diamonds, this section remains among the most advanced and continues moving steadily toward its next construction phase. The 2 newer mobility diamonds continue to progress rapidly. Scaffolding and support systems have now been installed across the upper levels, allowing crews to begin preparing slab construction. Workers are also assembling reinforcement steel and structural elements that will support the next stage of concrete work. Since the previous visit, both structures have advanced noticeably. The speed of progress highlights how construction activity across these mobility cores has intensified in recent weeks. The corner area has now reached an important stage, with nearly all facade anchors installed throughout the sector. Workers continue carrying out finishing tasks on support structures while additional crews remain active inside the stadium. With most anchor points now in place, this area appears increasingly ready for the next major phase of facade installation. Activity remains intense on the Tribuna side of the stadium. Several crews are working on facade support structures, applying protective materials and carrying out inspections. Meanwhile, additional compression ring components and temporary support systems have already been positioned nearby. These preparations indicate that construction of the compression ring will soon continue further into the Tribuna sector. The main mobility diamond remains one of the busiest locations on the entire site. Numerous crews, lifting platforms, and construction materials are concentrated around the structure as work continues simultaneously on several levels. Scaffolding now surrounds large portions of the exterior, while internal construction also remains highly active. The amount of activity visible here reflects the importance of these mobility cores, which will eventually play a key role in moving thousands of spectators throughout the stadium. The second cantilever level continues to show steady construction progress, with multiple elevated work platforms actively engaged beneath the seating structure. Teams are working across different points, focusing on finishing tasks and structural detailing despite challenging heat conditions. Activity remains consistent, with workers positioned under shaded areas while carrying out precision work. The overall structure at this level is gradually becoming more defined as multiple installation phases progress simultaneously across the zone. In the lower Velado area, construction activity remains moderate but focused, with machinery and platforms positioned at different structural points. Concrete pumping equipment is visible on site, indicating ongoing or upcoming concrete operations in specific zones. Interior sections continue to show hidden but active progress, where workers are engaged in detailed installation work that is partially obstructed from external view. The block structures remain unchanged, confirming stability in completed areas while finishing works, and internal installations continue in parallel. Before the end of the visit, another structural beam was observed being lifted into position in the corner section. Workers stationed on elevated platforms guided the piece into place, while cranes handled the installation. Once connected, the new component further strengthened the growing structural framework that continues to expand around the stadium. And that brings us to the end of today's Spotify Camp Nou construction update. With new milestones approaching and construction activity continuing to intensify across the site, the weeks ahead promise even more exciting progress. Be sure to stay with us as we continue following the transformation of Camp Nou from behind the scenes and bring you all the latest developments in our next update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.